Untangling the knot of indifference. Reconnecting interpersonal bonds. Indifference is the extreme expression of all negative emotions. This state often manifests as apathy towards surrounding things, and interpersonal relationships, lacking care. However, indifference is an intolerable state because when you are indifferent to others, others will reciprocate. If you don't care about others, then others won't care about you. The ultimate result of indifference is isolation and loneliness. The root of indifference. Indifference is not an externally imposed emotion but originates from fundamental issues within our inner world. To address this emotion, the external influence is limited, and the key lies in our ability to proactively untangle the knots within our hearts. Breaking isolation. Rebuilding connections. Indifference not only creates rifts between individuals, but also plunges people into isolation and loneliness. To rebuild interpersonal bonds, we need to break down the barriers of indifference, actively care for others, and cultivate empathy. Only through mutual care can we establish a social network of understanding and support. The antidote to indifference. Proactive caring. Indifference is a passive state, but the solution is to take proactive measures. By actively caring for others, we can rebuild estranged relationships, break free from the troubles of indifference, and rediscover a warm and fulfilling life.